Hey everybody, what is going on? Buddy Blackbird here with another Photoshop CS6 tutorial. And in this tutorial I want to show you how to use the Magic Wand tool to select things quickly and easily within Photoshop. Now the Magic Wand tool has been around for a while within Photoshop and one of its most iconic tools. And it's called the Magic Wand tool because the icon just looks like a magic wand. So what it does is it selects based on the shift and brightness ranges within an image. So when things are contrasting a lot, it's going to be good for those types of images where you need to just select. Now the Magic Wand tool isn't a super precise tool, but it does do the job nicely and quickly, and is very useful. So we'll just get on with it. So I have this image here where it's just this logo, or this, I guess it's a logo on top of just a white background. And I don't want this white background. I want it to be transparent so I can put this logo on top of anything else. So what we're going to do is remove the white background with the Magic Wand tool. All we need to do is click on the white background, and it has selected the entire everything that is the white background. The only things it's going to miss are the spots that are in between the letters, like the inside of this A, the inside of this R, and the inside of this A. So I'm going to hit delete to delete out any white that has been selected, and we get that. So that's really nice. Now all I need to do is take the zoom tool, zoom in, and take our Magic Wand tool, select in here. If you hold shift, you can add to your selection. So all we're just going to do is select these white spots and hit delete, and now we're good. Now everything has, all the white has been clipped out. So that's awesome for us. And now we can just take this entire logo here and put it on anything that we want. So there's a couple things with the Magic Wand tool that I want to go over up here in the options. We've got our basic options that we have with all the rest. We've got our normal selection, add, subtract, and intersect. If you need more info on those, check out the marquee, square marquee, and elliptical marquee tutorial, which was just a couple back. We've got the sample size here, and then you can select the number of pixels by which to sample from. So right now it's just going to select 1 pixel, but you can select an average amount there, 5 pixels by 5 pixels, and you get the average color of it, and that's how those work for the sample size. We've got our tolerance next door, and the tolerance goes from 0 to 255, and the higher the value, the more information the Magic Wand tool selects. So the higher, so if this is up at 255, it's going to select a wider range of whites than if it was down here at 32. At 32, it's just going to pretty much select the white that you picked. You've got anti-alias checked for smooth edges. Contiguous here selects adjacent pixels within the document. So I usually keep that checked. And then we got the sample all layers in case we want to take something from every single layer and select it, or select multiple layers at once. So the Magic Wand tool is helpful at getting big chunks of objects out of your image. So if you have something like, take this bike at sunset or something like that, and maybe we want to try to select out this bike, I'm going to go ahead and select in the select the sky so we can delete that out. But when I try to select the sky, since there's so many different colors in here, Photoshop's going to have a hard time figuring out what you want selected and everything like that. But it tries to do its best. You could increase the tolerance, go to 100, and then try selecting in here, and you can see that it has selected more, and we've got some contrasting in the tree and everything like that, but it did the best that it could, And if we try to delete that out, we've got a big section that's been deleted out for us. Now it'd probably be easier to use your lasso tool and cut out the bike first, and then maybe use like the magic wand tool to get like sections in here to delete those out and things like that. So that's how you can use the magic wand tool in conjunction with other tools. So that's it for the magic wand tool here. So thanks for your support and watching the video. Subscribe if you want to see some more Photoshop videos, because a bunch more are coming up. So see you guys at the next tutorial. Have a good one, everybody.